You all want some automotive DIY, right? Well, I got a whole project bike to rebuild. Stay tuned for the details. What you're looking at right now is a 1991 Suzuki GSXR 750 that my buddy's been trying to pawn off on me for years. I mean years. This thing has been sitting outside, it's been sitting in the garage, it's been everywhere except riding on the road. As you can see, pretty much everything that could rust did rust, and rusted badly. There's pretty much oxidation on all the aluminum parts as well, but we're going to take care of that. I'm definitely going to be reupholstering these seats. So the gas tank isn't as bad as I originally thought it was going to be, but as you can see, inside is completely rusted. I'm going to have to completely clean this out and reseal it. Both wheels are completely dry rotted and cracked, so I'm going to have to replace those as well. The brakes are a little rusty, but they could be worse. I'm probably going to rebuild them anyways. The front end is completely toast. These seals are completely gone, and anything metal in there is rusted away. Luckily, I have a complete front end off another project bike of mine, as well as brand new in the box Racetech springs, new fork oil, and new seals. I'm probably going to be replacing this rear shock. I just need to do my research first to find out what there's available. I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with the wheels yet. I may need to use the spare front wheel that I have that goes with the other front forks that I'm putting on there, but I want to keep the rear wheel from this bike. It looks like the wheels are hollow cast, which means that they're definitely lighter than the solid cast wheels that I have. So this engine isn't the original engine, but it was pulled out of a bike when it was still running. However, I don't know if the engine was stored inside or outside, or whether or not it was covered. So I don't know how far down the rabbit hole I'm going to have to go with this engine. I'm going to have to find out once I pull off the valve cover and cylinder head. The carburetors look to be in good shape, so I'm probably just going to have to rebuild them with new seals and possibly get a jet kit for it. The only exhaust piece I have is the muffler that's been laying around in my parts bin for years. Check out the Instagram photos if you want to see it. So if you're not following me on Instagram yet, go check me out at TheArmedDIYer. There's a lot of stuff that ends up there that doesn't end up in videos. Teasers, updates, random other pictures. As for the headers, I'm probably gonna need to either build a set of headers or buy some on eBay, used or aftermarket. Depending on how bad the electrical system is, I may need to rewire the entire harness. I'm probably gonna be throwing in an aftermarket gauge cluster and some different lights. So I don't have any plastics for this bike, which means that I'm going to be making a custom tail section as well as a custom belly pan. It's going to stay a naked sport bike, so I'm probably just going to do a single headlight up front. I haven't picked out a color scheme yet, but I know that the frame is going to be going gloss black. So let me know in the comments what color you think I should go with for the body as well as the wheels. So those are some of my pending plans. Let me know in the comments what you think. My name is Scott. If you like the video, hit that thumbs up. If you want to follow this build, or you at least enjoy anything DIY, you might as well go subscribe to the channel and hit that bell notification so you know when I come out with new videos. So this officially starts the Armed DIYer Budget Streetfighter Build. #TAD Budget Streetfighter. Until next time, I'm going to get out of this rain.